gone.
Yeah, exactly. So we've got quite a bit of it moving in our way. The tower cam is looking very quiet right now, but tomorrow at this time, it is going to be very white and looking like a winter wonderland. So winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories have been issued. Pretty much north and west of the Fox Valley, you will have a little bit lesser totals. And then everyone in the purple, we are anticipating perhaps 8 to 10 inches of snowfall by the time it's all said and done. This is where the first round of snow has lifted northward. Just a light dusting has accumulated for areas along and north of Highway 29. Now, we are in a bit of a lull, so as you're driving to work this morning, there won't be a whole lot going on. But as we look towards our west, you will start to see a little bit of snowfall starting to be picked up on the La Crosse radar. That's going to drift eastward as we go into the foreseeable future. Low pressure is still over the Central Plains and has plenty of time before it reaches us. It's going to track through Iowa, northern Illinois, and into southern Michigan. So probably by tomorrow morning at this time, we still will have some snowfall ongoing. A lot of weather headlines across the Central Plains and the Midwest. About a dozen states impacted by this storm system. We even have some blizzard warnings in parts of Colorado and Texas or Kansas and Nebraska. Skycast shows at 10:30 the snowfall developing to the northwest and the west, and that will continue to move eastward by the afternoon hours. You see that band of snowfall, and it really gets going later this evening and carries over into the overnight. So while we're sleeping, that's when the main accumulation will continue to fall. By the morning hours, it's probably going to be a rough one driving to work. Even this evening's commute, you're going to start to see snowfall on the roadways. 7:30, snowfall still ongoing, but by the afternoon tomorrow, the snow will come to an end and we will start to see the skies break a little bit. By the time it's all said and done, we are talking about 6 to 10 inches of snowfall in the purple. And in this area, we could potentially have even some localized totals near a foot of snowfall. Up to the northwest, looking at about 4 to 7 inches of snowfall, so a little bit less than what we're anticipating yesterday. So pretty much with the main concerns, obviously the heavy snowfall, but also there will be some blowing and drifting with these winds coming in out of the south and causing some slippery roadways. Make sure to add some extra time to your travel if you have to get out and about. Temperatures right now are in the lower to mid-20s. We do have teens in Antigo and Watoma, but the rest of us are a little bit warmer. And our highs will be right around this value. Winds coming in out of the south between 10 to even near 30 miles per hour near the Lakeshore, Kewaunee and Manitowoc. It should start to subside just a tad. After today's high of 25, we drop down not too much, 20 degrees overnight tonight, with those winds continuing out of the south, but then changing out of the west tomorrow. And then our temperatures will really start to come crashing down. Take a look at this 7-day forecast. After an Arctic front moves in with a few flurries on Thursday, we might not even get above 0 on Friday. We do at least get above the 0-degree mark on the weekend with another chance of snow by Monday. That looks like a more winter forecast, Brooke, if you ask me.
Yeah, definitely a little bit more January-like than we've been seeing.
We sure have.
All right, thanks, Gino.